What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another tech video. Alright, so yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday was my 36th birthday, and my wife got me an iPad. She got me an iPad for my birthday. Alright, iPad Air. Okay, this is the iPad Air 4th generation, so I guess it's the latest generation of iPad Air, that is, and it's the Wi-Fi only, and it is 64 gigs. Alright, iPad Air. Okay, it's been years since I've owned an iPad, man. It has been years since I've owned an iPad. I got my shank here. I don't know if I'm going to even need it, but let's go ahead and get on. I don't think I will need it. There's a pull tab, so let's. Alright. Oh, that ripped. Let's go on and get it in here. Grand opening. Oh, alright. Get the plastic to the side there. Alright. Is there anything I need to cut? Any tape over here? No tape. Alright. Where is there? Is there some tape? No, it don't look like it. Okay, open it up. Struggle game. Let me see. Let me just pull it that way. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, it's been a few years. It's been about 4 years since I've owned an iPad, and the last okay, here we are. The last iPad that I owned was the iPad mini. I had that from 2016 to maybe 17, 18, and it's gone now, so I've never owned an iPad this size. So here we are. Boom. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Alright, here we are. This is that light blue iPad Air. Very nice. Very nice. It's not too strong of a blue. It almost looks silver. It almost looks silver, but it is that light blue. Okay? You got your speaker grills there at the top, and there are some speakers here at the bottom. It actually looks like, if I'm not mistaken, it's not 4 different speakers, it's only 2 speakers, but they spread out amongst the other speakers there. Okay? This appears to be the volume buttons here on the side, volume buttons, and then that is the power button here at the top. Power button right there, and if I'm not mistaken, that is also the fingerprint sensor, which is cool by me. Okay, and we have on the front, we have a front-facing camera here at the top, and a microphone as well there. And on the bottom, which is the most impressive part to me, and which I wish they also did on this phone, is USB-C. Do I get a charger in the box? I do get a charger in the box. I get a charging brick. Here's my charging brick. And here is my USB-C cord. Alright, my power cord. Man, glad to see USB-C. Let's see if we got any juice here. Go ahead and power it up. Yep, we got a little juice. We got a little juice. Turns on. Alright, so we'll go ahead and let that do its thing. We also, man, it's already started up. Got 88%. That's not bad to start. Also went to Best Buy today, and the wife, she got me this Folio Touch case. This Logitech Folio Touch. It is the keyboard case with trackpad and smart connector technology. All right, for the iPad Air 4th generation. Okay, here's that, and you can open it up and see on the inside there. Boom. All right, let's go ahead and see if I can get this out of here. Oh yeah, it comes right out. Comes right out. Comes right out. Put that to the side. And here is the case. Alright. Does it have a cut? Oh, it has the cutouts. Okay. Has the cutouts up here for your speakers. There and there. Your microphone. And it has your cutout for your fingerprint. Right there for your fingerprint sensor. That's pretty nice. And on the back, the 3 spots, the 3 prongs to connect it to the iPad. Nice keyboard, trackpad, clicking option there. Pretty good feeling keys. Pretty good feeling keys. Let's go ahead and put it in there. I haven't set the iPad up yet. So let's go ahead and put it in the case and let's see how that looks. Okay, boom. Slide it in there. Put it down in there. And we're in. We're in. Boom. So we're in. Alright. And then on the back, you can open this up. And now you have, it's like a laptop. It's just like a laptop. Alright, so I got everything set up now. I've been kind of playing around with it a little bit. I haven't learned everything that it does just yet. I've only been playing with it for a few minutes. But so far, man, this thing is smooth. This thing is smooth. I like how I can get the text messages from my iPhone onto my tablet. I like that. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it works pretty smooth. Boom. Close right out of that. Come over here. Go to YouTube. Boom. And I can watch my YouTube. This keyboard, this Logitech keyboard, man, the trackpad and everything works amazing. It works very well, man. Works very well. Man, 2 finger gestures, you know, does everything very clicky. Boom, hit that, and we go home. Man, so far I like it, man. I like it. Hadn't had an iPad in a while. This is a nice idea for a birthday gift. I've been kind of thinking about learning how to make beats. At least the basics of beats, so then I can have, you know, some of my buddies that are actual beat makers and producers go in after I get a start on the beat, maybe put the groundwork in there and then see if they can finish it if I get my ideas going. But that was one of the big ideas that I had. And I kind of look at this as a gateway back into, getting a Mac. You know what I mean? Like, maybe I'll use this almost as a laptop. I see this as, if I have this iPad Air, I don't necessarily need a laptop. Oh, that's pretty cool, man. That's kind of cool. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't even know what I just clicked into, but it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. So I just look at having this as a gateway back into a Mac. I may get a Mac Mini now. I may get a Mac Mini and replace my Surface Book 2 with the M1 Mac Mini. So I just wanted to show that I got it. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. You close it up. And then you open it back up. And you hit the Touch ID. And we're back in there. Man, it's pretty smooth. I like that when I did the setup, it basically set everything up from my iPhone. It asked me if I wanted to use my iPhone to set everything up. I had to get the iPhone and take a picture of like a circle on the screen, and then everything was set up. I didn't have to enter my Wi-Fi or anything. It just based it all straight off of my phone, which, man, that's pretty cool. That's the easiest setup that I've ever done. One other thing that I saw in another video when I was doing some research on this iPad is that you can use this almost like a teleprompter, and that's something that I feel would be useful. As soon as I figure out how to do it, it'll be useful for these videos. I could put keynotes in the videos, when we do the heel turn or when I do any other show, I can put these keynotes in here and then, go off of that. Use it as a teleprompter and kind of go off of that instead of rambling like I'm doing right now. So I thought that was a cool idea. I'm just looking forward to getting into the iPad and seeing everything that it can actually do. Man, it's been a while. It's been years since I've used an iPad, so I'm just very interested in seeing how this will go. But anyway, that's going to do it on this iPad Air 4. You know what I mean? Get some of that blue. You can see that blue really good at that angle. You can see it really good at that angle. All right. But I like it so far, man. I really like it so far. It's a good size. That's always something. I had an iPad mini before, and I always thought that the regular sized iPads were a little bit too big. But holding it like this, it's not really heavy. It's not heavy. I guess that's kind of what I was looking at. So if I was wanting to sit and, just sit and read and see if I could be comfortable, it's not heavy, this one. And I guess that is the benefit of it being an iPad Air. It's not really heavy. So that's good. Kind of comfortable holding it like this. If I wanted to sit and read, I'd be comfortable. It wouldn't be weighing my fingers down or anything. It's pretty cool. So I definitely can rock with this. I'm looking forward to seeing everything that it does. I'm going to go ahead and slide this back into the case now, which is easy to do. Boom, just like that. Now we're back connected into the folio case. Right back connected. I can close this up. If I'm ready to go, it's got a nice cover here. Boom. If you get the pin, you can put the pin right there in the slot. Boom. And then you wrap the pin around and it'll protect both things. But that's pretty good protection, which you will need. I was able to actually get this. It was on sale for $100 off. It was normally $5.99 and I was able to get it for $4.99. So that sweetened the deal for me. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. Give me some ideas. Let me know of some things that I can try on this iPad. Let me know of any tips and tricks that you all might have. Is there any music production apps that I should be looking to use besides GarageBand? I'm a beginner. I don't know how to make beats. I just want to be able to get some of my ideas for the songs that I have in my head down. Maybe just put a little bit of, you know, the instrumental down, and so that I can start writing to it. That's pretty much what I want to do. And then I can have some of my actual producer buddies help me out. But let me know in the comments some tips and tricks, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.